In today's video, we are going to show you how to quickly rotate PDF pages using iLovePDF. The process only takes a few clicks and works directly from your web browser. So start by logging in using your credentials. You have two options here. You can simply go to the All PDF Tools. On the top menu, there is a drop-down option and click the Rotate PDF. Or you can simply go to the submenus and click the Edit PDF and then Rotate PDF depending on your preferences. And then if you click on it, what will happen is you will see an option to select the PDF files on your computer. Or if you want, you can simply drag and drop the files. Wait for iLovePDF to upload and display all the pages of your PDF. You will see a thumbnail preview of every page in the document. Take a moment to identify which pages or page needs to be rotated. Now, hover your mouse over the page you want to rotate. For example, this one. You see there is like rotation arrow appear on the page thumbnail. If you click the rotate button, you turn the page 90 degrees clockwise. Continue clicking until the page is oriented correctly on your preferences. Repeat this process for any other pages that need adjustment. If every page in your document is facing the wrong direction, you can use the Rotate All option. This allows you to rotate the entire document at once instead of adjusting each page individually. Now choose the desired rotation direction and verify the preview before continuing. Now, let's say, for example, you're satisfied with the page orientation. I want you to click the Rotate PDF button on the bottom right corner. iLovePDF will process your document and apply the changes. The processing time may vary depending on the size of your PDF. After the rotation is complete, click the Download Rotated PDF to save the updated file to your device. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to rotate pages or page in a PDF using iLovePDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.